think that's a great idea.
Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna hold it.
Okay, you hold it. I'm gonna pour.
Okay.
Okay, hold it nice and still.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
Oh, will you help me open this?
Yeah.
Perfect. Pull it all the way off. That's a great job. Okay, hold this for me.
Okay.
Okay, let me see now. Turn it around for me.
It's over.
It is over. We're gonna pour some.
We'll edit
put
this
it
before
down.
we.
Oh, wait, a little bit more. We need to pour a little bit more out. Let me see, baby. Let go. No, it's good. All right, I want you to pour that into the bowl. Now our next job. Are you ready, Chef? Chef, pour the oil in the bowl. Great job. Now let's take our measuring cup and we're gonna place it. This is a Mama Mel trick. Ready? When you make brownies, the oil from your cup can drip into your pan so you can grease your pan later. Okay.
Eggs. How many eggs, Kaden? How many eggs did Mama Mel say?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just 2, please.
Mama Mel needs 2 eggs in the bowl. Are you ready to break an egg in the bowl?
Yeah.
Do you know how to break the egg?
Yeah. Let me show you bring it.
Okay, show me. Whoa, good job. Good job. Okay, next. You squeezed it.
Well, wait, let's get all the shell out of this one, okay? All right. Great job, sir. Whoop. Go ahead, Chef.
Pour the water in the bowl. Good job.
Great job, Chef.
Wait. Okay, you can use that one if you want to.
Okay.
Keep going. No. Don't use your fingers. Keep stirring.
Here, Chef, would you like this fresh, clean one?
I'm doing this one. I'm gonna do all of them.
Oh, perfect. Good job. I'll hold this one. Keep going. You're doing so good.
Okay.
Ready? Keep stirring. This is the brownie mix.
This is brown.
Use your other hand, Boo. There you go.
How do I bite it?
You don't bite it until after we bake it. Keep stirring, Chef.
Okay.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, because that would give us salmonella maybe. Okay, keep stirring, Chef.
Ew.
Oh, keep stirring.
Ew.
You want me to do a little stirring for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
How is it? You gotta keep that in the bowl though and stir it. Keep stirring.
Or I did. Oh, here, there.
Are you watching it drip?
Hmm?
Where are our other sewers?
In the bathroom.
No, there's a bunch of yours that I had.
So heavy.
Chef, should we pour in the milk chocolate chips? Okay, here we go.
Can I get one?
Yes, you're the chef. All right, stir them in.
I think that's good.
Can I get one again?
All right, I'll take over some stirring for you.